In this short tutorial, you will learn how to hide WhatsApp notification names on your Android lock screen. Many people prefer to keep their messages private. They do not want others to see who is messaging them or what the messages contain. Luckily, with just a few simple steps, you can make your notifications more discreet and protect your privacy. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Notifications. Then tap App Notifications. Scroll down and find the WhatsApp application. Tap on it. Now you should see an option for Lock Screen Notifications. Make sure it is allowed so that notifications can show up on your lock screen. Next, tap Lock Screen Notifications. You will see two different options for how notifications appear. Change the setting from Show Content to Hide Content. Now, when someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, their name or the content of the message won't show up on your lock screen anymore. Instead, it will only say something like New Message. This keeps your messages more private and secure. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.